horizon is full of them. We are outnumbered 10 to 1. We cannot hold this ground. We need to retreat to the shoreline. Get the men on the ships. Let's concede the land. Make peace and return home alive. Sir, please give the order to retreat. Burn the boat!
Strike the match against the mast. Watch the timber turn to ash. Take a look at the ocean floor. That way home doesn't exist anymore. You wanted an exit, you wanted a plan B. I gave it to the fire, I gave it to the sea. Tell the men to turn around and face the drumming of the guns. There's nowhere left to go, so there's nowhere left to run. Safety is a poison, comfort is a cage. Light it up, light it up. Panic is a prison, focus is the rage. Light it up, light it up. If you want the island, you have to kill the flea. Victory or death, but never a defeat. Burn the boats, let the bridges glow. We're not going back to the life we used to know. Cut the rope, let the ashes float. The only way is forward. Burn the boats, watch them burn. They say it's suicide, I call it clarity. Eliminate the option of a comfortable tragedy. As long as there's a ship, you'll be watching for the tide. As long as there's a way, you'll be running that hide. I'm cutting off the hand that reaches for the door. We're wheeling on the sand, or we're dying on the shore. Burning in the eye, tell me what you see. A man with nothing left to lose is finally free. Burn the boats, let the bridges glow. We're not going back to the life we used to know. Cut the rope, let the ashes float. The only way is forward. Burn the boats, watch your ride. Drifting on the tide, severing the ties. If we fall